So this is my latest design, which I'm very pleased with. It's an occasional table for our living room, and it's got an interesting dowel feature which I want to share with you. Before I do that though, I want to show you this new concept that we're introducing to our line of products. It's a half-inch dowel arrangement, and it has four on this guide block here. In other words, you could put four on a 1x4. It's not in production yet. This is just our test sample. Will be ready in a few months. But in the meantime, I'd like to just give you an idea of the strength of this. I've already completed this 4 dowel joint. This is 7/8 by 3.5. 7/8 is the least I would go for this half-inch. I wouldn't go below that. So you could use it on 7/8 wood, inch quarter, inch and a half, you know, for a 2x4 or whatever. And so let me just give you an idea of the accuracy and the strength of this. Absolutely flush, absolutely solid. You couldn't do that with many joints, even a mortise or a festo dono. This is extremely strong. This is probably the strongest joint you can get, apart from a lap joint. It's much stronger than a comparable mortise. The biscuit and the pocket hole don't even come into consideration with this sort of joint. This joint will not fail. If you tested it to failure, it would probably fail along here at the bottom of the dowel landing. Extremely strong. Now back to this table. There's an interesting concept. It's about 95% dowel construction. There's a full lap done on the foot, the lower foot structure, but the rest is all dowel. And I'd like to show you an interesting concept I come up with. So let's get started. Now this interesting dowel arrangement involves the centre column of the occasional table. Now when I came to that part, I realised there was a lot of surface area. They've got to be joined together. So the four pieces, they've got to be joined together very accurately. And what I noticed was that there was a lot of good surface area, contact area here and here. So I could have joined it. It probably would have been okay, but it probably doesn't sit well with me. So I decided to key it together using dowels. And I'll show you one of these. Now what we do here in this, instead of referencing from the outside, sorry, we're going to reference from the inside. That way all four pieces will be firmly lodged together. And now the other thing is that all these legs are identical in length, so we can reference from here down and from here up. That's perfectly acceptable when they're identical in size. Now we're going to reference from the inside, which is here, and from the top, which is here. So we'll bring this up, and in this case we're drilling number 3. Now in order to avoid that's number 3, number 4, sorry. In order to avoid fouling this one, when you come to do this joint, you'll be in this configuration and you're going to drill through number 3. So you're referencing from here and from here, and you're drilling through number 3. It's the same process on the bottom. We align to the bottom and drill through, in this case, number 3. And on this one we'll drill through number 2. That way the dowels won't foul. And that's just about all there is to it. And this worked out really well. That's the finished article. I find that rather pleasing.